Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the door bot. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small C bar, 2 small L bar, 1 medium plate, 2 small bars, 2 tiny L bar, 1 shaft locker, 1 DC motor, DPDT switch box and connecting cables. So let us do the assembly now. At first we will take 2 small C bar and 2 small L bar, and we will attach the L bars to the C bar in this way. Take a L bar, take a C bar, attach the L bar to the 5th row of the C bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to attach it. And fix it with the help of nut and bolt. So this is done. Similarly, connect the other L bar to the C bar. Now we will take a small bar and attach it on top of the small L bars, but we need to give spacers so that a small gap remains in between the small bar and the L bars. So take a bolt, insert it through the small bar, place a spacer here and insert the bolt through it and then fix it using the nut, and in the same way connect on the other side. Now we will attach a motor to this small bar. Take the motor and insert the motor shaft through this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, through the 5th number hole in this way, and fix the motor using the screw. Now we will take a medium plate and we have to attach the shaft locker to this medium plate in this way. For that we will take 2 tiny L bars, attach the tiny L bars to the medium plate, insert the bolt, fix it using nut. So we have attached the tiny L bars, and now we will attach the shaft locker in this way and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Insert the bolt and fix the shaft locker with the help of nut and bolt. Now we will attach this medium plate to this motor through the shaft locker. So insert the shaft locker through the shaft of the motor. Attach an axle lock here. After connecting the medium plate, now we will take a small bar and attach it to both the C bars in this way and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. So we have connected the small bar, and with this the assembly of the door bot is completed, and now we will connect the motor to the remote box. So we have connected the motor. Now when we press the button, the door opens, it's closed, open. Thank you.